I was shocked when I tried brand new collection from Chanel 2024. I have for you 6 eyeshadow, 2 blushes. I have a 7 brand new eyebrow pencil for you. Also, I will swatch you. I will show you all these beautiful colors. Love you more than ice cream. Let's start. First product, I'm gonna use multi-usage glow stick, and it's Canela Moonlight. Yes, this product comes in 2 different colors, and I choose the lightest color. Okay, it very looks natural, nothing special, you barely see it, right? This collection has 2 beautiful blushes. One, it's more peachy and gold, and another berry and beautiful light pinky highlighter, iridescent pink. I need to try. First color, it's coral and peach. Let's try this highlighter. Nice pigment, give me nice, beautiful gold iridescent glow. It's no sparkles, a truly beautiful glowing highlighter. And now it's time to try this beautiful peach blush. Wow, I trying, I layering, I pouring. It's no color. Oh my goodness. What it is? $75? I need to use this brush 20 times to add product, and it's still, I barely can see this color on my cheek. Excuse me, this is, I don't think it's a good one product for me personally. For this money, I think I should just put 1, 2, 3 and see colors. It's nothing there. Now I'm gonna try light and berry. Oh, I don't wanna disappoint anymore. Okay, highlighter looks really pretty, but you know, yes, I see it. Let's try blush. Wow, what a difference. Light and berry have a very nice rich pigment. Actually, be careful, girls. And this one, it's no colors at all. Really looks so natural. It's like makeup, no makeup. But this one side, I love it. What do you think? What side do you prefer? I'm a little bit shocked because same product and it's 2 different quality to me. Why? Okay, let's even my left side, and now we're gonna try this beautiful eyeshadow. I have for you 7 beautiful colors, but you know what? Let's try only 2. My favorite, of course, it's purple, and I really like this beautiful brown burgundy color. First color, it's number 54, and I apply it very close to my lashes. Beautiful brown burgundy color. I actually really like this color. Now I have my small angle brush, and I portion this color and making like a little bit winky look. Ooh, this is really pretty. Sexy. Second color, it's a beautiful purple color. I apply on my low lid, and you can reapply a few more times to build a color. I think it's so beautiful and sexy look. I know this cream purple eyeshadow not long wearing, and I decide to set my eyelid with beautiful lilac color from Chanel. Now I know this eyeshadow's gonna stay all day long. Let's finish this eye look with mascara, and then of course I'm gonna show you these incredible eyebrow pencils.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour.
Now let me show you this beautiful eyebrow pencils. They brand new, and they little bit remind me brand Dior. It's not your limited edition products. This product will stay. I have 7 colors. I'm gonna use 160. Let's try. I think 160 little bit too black for me. Let's try 166. Eyebrows make a big difference. This 160 and this 166. I need your help. Let me know what color do you like on me. And remember, this collection not yet available online, but available in Nordstrom Tampa. And if you like any of this product, DM me on Instagram again, Katya Beauty Style. I will send you home free shipping, and I always put nice gift for you. Also, remember this cream eyeshadow. If you want them to stay all day long, you need to put powder eyeshadow on top. And yes, it's my biggest disappointment right here. No, but this one, light berry color, yes. Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe, comments below. Bye.